Hey guys, so today I am really excited because I found SuperThings Rescue Force. I nearly cleared the entire stock. Sorry, Tesco. But anyways, it is very exciting. I bought a full box of vehicles, a full box of 1-packs, and the starter pack. Now some of them have been bought, only a few though. So anyways, let's get right into it. I have come prepared with scissors. Okay, first of all, let's start off with the 1-packs. My first one. Okay, here we go. First one, the checklist. Oh, it shows the play sets. That's quite cool. And then, why has it got a play set checklist? I don't know if that's meant to be like that. And we have got Mitch Match as my first one. Cool. Next up, second one. Okay, who have we got? Oh, I forget his name, but it's the hard hat. You know what? I might do the starter pack, since it is the starter pack. Hopefully I don't cut anything inside of it. Yeah. Open the sesame. I like to keep these as bags. The comic guide, yes, that's juicy information in there. Okay, what could be in here? I think this will be the rescue jet. Oh, whip. Oh my gosh, it isn't open. Might have to use more scissorage. Oh, by the way, this will be a multiple part video, just for your information. Oh, we got a crystal. It's got metallic. I think this is Drill Max. Yeah, it's so cool. He almost looks a bit like Oculus Max. And the metallic rescue jet, which is Flaming Bat. Right, that's cool. I don't know too much how these work, but cool. Anything else that's meant to be in there? Oh, nice, another super thing. Oh, and we've got the diamond. I haven't memorised all the names yet. And I think that's it for the starter pack. Yeah, I think so. Okay, now we'll do you know what, we'll do more super things. Who is this going to be? Oh, it's the fizzy drink, which kind of appeared in like the cartoons, but not like this. It's actually got a hole in it if you look there. Cool. Who is this? Oh, it's another metallic. It's Bernardo. He's so cool. Oh, Mitch Match is down here. Why are you down here? Vehicle. This will be probably a multiple part video. As I probably already said that, but oh, it comes in this cardboardage. I think someone also found them in Cambridge. One of the first, I think, if not, I am the first. Although I did clear the entire stock, so I would say where I got them from, but you can only get 2 starter packs, so sorry about that. I'm a bit obsessed. So we have the bomb. Boom Boom, I believe is his name, with this vehicle. More super things, I guess. Go. Mighty Meal. Nice. Oh, it's open from the back. Crime Dime in the purple. Purple is my purpley pink, I think. Or pink, I think. Purple's actually my favourite colour, so yay! Okay, who have we got here? Lemonster, I think it's meant to be, or Lemonster. No doubles yet. Although I shouldn't say that, because the next one, you know, it will be a double. Oh, we got handcuffs. Nice. This is a really good batch we've got here. Oh, we got Timmy Key, the piano. What is this? Oh, you got Crime Time bit in the blue this time. Probably look the same on the camera. I would record it outside, but it's very dark. I don't want you to see the best quality images as my viewers. Oh, we got Bad Bounce. Nice. Okay. And next one. Oh, we got another metallic. Oh, I forget his name. Yeah, but there we go. Another metallic. We'll go with another vehicle this time. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, is this mighty? Oh, this is Bad Bite. Cool. And the vehicle, I think, is normal flaming, but there we go. Okay, more super things. Oh, is this Hydro? I want to say this is Hydro Boom. I'm probably wrong though. Or is that the bomb? I think that's Hydro Boom, just considering it's water. Oh, we got another metallic. Mighty Melon, I think it is. I think. Nice. We're working our way quite quickly to complete the collection. Oh, we never got metallic. We got Grass Flash. Nice. Who's this gonna be? Oh, we got a silver. Hand Run. Cool. I got quite a pile building up here. Oh, there's a receipt. Yeah, I can't spend all my money on this nearly. Got £7 left. Oh, we got Mighty Melon in the metallic blue this time. No, I'll take any different colour variants. Not necessarily collect them, but I will keep them. Oh, we got the oven. No doubles. This is really amazing. I'm really happy about this. Oh, we got another silver. We got Desventure. Nice. Who are you? Oh, we got another silver. Hand Run. Oh, wait, no, I think this was Super Strike. This is Hand Run. He's really cool. We're on a good luck streak here. Okay, another vehicle. 7 minutes. Yeah, sorry about that. Just checking how long it is. Oh, is this a double? I don't know. It's our first double. Mighty Meal, although I've bought so many of these that it's not that bad. And there's the vehicle. Another super thing. Oh, Plant Terrible. Nice. Vehicle. Oh, we got a gold. Which one is it though? I think it's oh, I forget his name. But we got a gold. Oh my gosh. Wagony, that's his name. We got Wagony. OMG. Cool. What else have we got here? Oh, the different colour of Bad Bounce. Another vehicle. Oh, we got another silver. Is this that's steel dirt? Oh no, I don't have much longer. I have about 1 minute left to unbox Super Things. 1 pack. Oh, we got the different colour of the helmet. Next one. And it is... Oh, nice. It's another metallic. It's like the fire hydrant. Okay. No, it's not. I have like 10 seconds, I'd say. Oh, here's the super thing. It's another one. Young Joe, the metallic. And the vehicle is not want to assembling. There we go. Oh, that might be it for the video. I'll just open one more. I might have to say bye, guys, now. Oh, cool. Yeah, that might be it for the video. Bye, guys.